Well, wow, I see you. Yes, this is very nice, my friend. Look at this. A lot of muddy car, my friend. Let's go. We are going to clean them up, my friend. Okay. Wow, so good, my friend. Okay. Yes, let's go, my friend. Oh, which one, my friend? Alright. I think we are going to go with this one, my friend. Check this out, my friend. What is this? It's kind of aeroplane, my friend. Yes, this is Boeing, my friend. So good, my friend. Stay there, Boeing. Okay, what is this? This is so big, my friend. Huge truck. Ta-da! Yes, this is a very big truck, my friend. Look like a monster truck. Alright. Look at this. Monster truck. Okay. Let's go, my friend. What is this? Well, this is a dump truck, my friend. So good. Look at this. Alright, stay there with the truck, my friend. Oh well, what is this, my friend? It's kind of what is this? Fire rescue, my friend. Amazing. Amazing fire rescue. Okay, stay there. Look at this. Okay, let's go, my friend. What next? Alright, this is the blue color rally car, my friend. It's clean already, my friend. Wow, this is the white one. Check this out, my friend. Ta-da! What is this? This kind of police car, my friend. Look at this, so beautiful. White color, stay there. Wow, this is the big truck, my friend. Check this out, my friend. Alright, this is long chassis truck, my friend.
Upon the sea, the open road is made for trucks. Alrighty.
So good, my friend. Look at this. Okay, another truck, my friend. And this one, what is this? Wow, amazing. Yellow double cabin.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots on.
Okay, so good, my friend. Okay, done. And what is this? Alright. Well, this is a snow tractor, my friend. Snow tractor. Okay, done. Okay, what is this, my friend? Alright, this is Thomas.
Yes, sir, I am, but there are a lot more of them. So it takes long. Felt to me like the animals were in charge of the railway in India. I didn't think that could ever happen.
Hello, Thomas. Okay. And this one, what is this? Alright, this is the Molen truck, my friend.
สบายครับ
โ Wow, very nice. Okay. Alright, what is this, my friend? Wow, McQueen. Yes, this is beautiful McQueen, my friend.
Hey DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Okay, stay there, McQueen. Hey, what is this, my friend? Wow, compactor. Alright, very nice. Well, this is next, my friend. Wow, amazing dump truck. This is Tayo, my friend.
Give him a shot that's a super strong trophy sparks.
Look at this. Alright, Tayo. And how about this one, my friend? Alright, this loader, my friend. Yeah. Loader, okay. And how about this one, my friend? Alright, this is a rally car. Rally car, so good. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is Tayo again, my friend.
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Okay. It's going to pick up the student. Alright, last one, my friend. What is this? Wow, tomato.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now.
Tomato, my friend. Look at this. Look, check this out. Okay, done, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.